Hey, Mark here. Today we're going to be talking about video number 4 here with our WordPress demo for the coffee house shop. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about, once we set up the other pages, what the next step is. How do you add a menu to your top navigation? So we'll jump in that right away. So on the screen here, you will see that we have gone ahead and created About, Contact, Home, and a menu page. The next step, when you're logged into WordPress, your dashboard, you're going to want to go into down on the settings here, appearance, and then click on menus. And we'll jump out here so you can also see that we don't have a menu set up right now. So if we're looking at the home page here, it's just by default. Oh, we haven't set up the home page yet. So we'll show you how to set your home page as your default page also. But you can see it's putting About, Contact, Home, Menu, Sample page, uncategorized in a search bar section there. That's not ideal how we'd want it to be laid out. So we will come in back into the dashboard here when you're logged into WordPress, appearance, menus, and we're going to create just kind of the primary menu here. We'll call it the main nav. And then we'll click primary menu bar, create menu, and we're going to want to put these pages, not the sample page in there, just these 4 pages: contact, menu, about, home. And generally you have the home page first, so you can drag the order that you want. Contact page is usually last. Sometimes people will hide the home page and just have the logo as the home page when you click on it in the top navigation bar. So up here, if this was our business logo, you would click on that and that'd take you to the home page. So we just want to display these 4 pages in this order. And to save that, you click Save Menu. So it's called the main navigation here. And again, we're working in Divi Visual Builder. So now we have that menu saved. And you're probably wondering, okay, that should be good to go, right? And we'll click on, oh, the computer's a little slow here. We'll just wait for that to load. I might have to edit that out. So you'll see the menu didn't change. So you're saying, oh, what happened there? How come we just saved that menu in WordPress, but it still looks the same? If we refresh the page, oh, there we go. So all we had to do is refresh the page. So going back in here, because we set it as the primary menu, by default, Divi's going to know to change that up at the top. So sometimes you just have to do a refresh on your page and you'll see it change. So we'll go back in there. Those are the 4 pages that we set up, and that's how you create your menu. And as you create more pages, you can come back into the menu and you can add more pages, and then you select what page you want to add. So if sample page was another page, say we'd add to the menu, and then you can drag that order where you want it to be. If you nest something underneath like this, that's just going to be a drop-down menu when you come back here. So if I go into here and let's say we save that. So now when we roll our mouse over the menu, once it saves, you'll see that as a drop down, it says sample page. That might be useful if you had other services, so you're doing a business and you want to list out your different services. You might have different landing pages, different pages for your services that you'd want to have a drop down underneath. So if we come back here, I refresh the page, you'll see that the menu will have a drop down option here. Well, it looks like it didn't save. That's what it would do if it saved here. My computer's a little overheating in the hot sun today. So I'll come back. I'll show some more videos. If you guys like this, like and comment below. We'll have more videos on WordPress and Photoshop and also talking about Go High Level. But the main thing here is we're teaching you how to use some of the basics in WordPress. Let us know in comments below what you're having troubles with, and we'll do our best to create more content for you. All right, thank you.